of blurry. And Bailey loves cucumber on his salads. I don't know, it's not bad. I actually feel like I might crave this. It's Caroline, and today I have a Trader Joe's haul for you. This is a much overdue grocery haul that I have to do for you guys because I'm basically out of groceries until now. I have it all spread out. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I got as I put it away. First that needs to get put away is the cheese. I'm not eating this. This is for Bailey. He wanted to have sandwiches for lunch, so I decided to pick him up some sliced mozzarella, which is actually really hard to find. I was in Walmart this morning too, and there was no sliced mozzarella. Found at Trader Joe's. Shout out to you, Trader Joe's. Next, I'll go over the fruit that I got. I'm basic. I just like berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. I got them right here. A big container. Literally, this will be gone by the end of the week because if I have them, I eat them every day. Next, I wanted to share with you guys, I was watching Savannah Wright, and she did a Trader Joe's haul, and she got these mangoes. And then Remy Ashton did it too. And so I wanted to try them because they obviously craved it. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna crave it. They're just soft and juicy. I don't know if those are the right ones that they got, but you know, not bad. I don't know if I'd crave this, but it's good. I don't know, it's not bad. I actually feel like I might crave this and eat more of it. It's probably the sugar. I probably should not buy this. See, that whole thing is just gone now. The next thing I got that's kind of like the dried mango is dried cranberries. I love cranberries in my salad, and that's a recent thing as of the last like year. Just think it adds so much flavor and sweetness to your salads. I'm actually going to start making a salad for lunch every day, and you'll see how I'm going to do that. Yellow squash and zucchini. These are great for your veggies at the end of the day because you can just chop them up really fast and put them in the oven or on the stovetop and saute them or cook them, and they just cook up really fast. And plus, Bailey really likes these, so it's a win-win for both of us. Another great dinner, like veggie side, are Brussels sprouts. I absolutely adore Brussels sprouts, and we have an air fryer, so I've been doing them those with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and it's literally just so amazing. I like to cut them in half. I think they cook better. It's a good snack too. So I got celery and cucumbers. Now the celery is for me to juice. So I got almond like nut milk bags to like make almond milk, but I saw that you can make green juice, celery in a blender, and then squeeze it out with the milk bag. It makes juice rather than like a smoothie. I've been really wanting to try celery juice to try and clear up my skin. I just don't have a juicer. And then I saw that and I got the milk bags like forever ago, and I literally haven't tried it. So I am desperate now, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it tomorrow morning, so maybe I will add this in the end. And then I thought cucumbers. I love cucumber water, so just having a lot of cucumbers and then throwing them to my water, not even like making cucumber water, but like just chopping up cucumber and throwing it in. I think that's so refreshing. And Bailey loves cucumber on his salads. Speaking of salads, this is the best part of the whole entire video. As you can see right down there, I don't know if you can see that or not, but huge bags of salad. Lots of huge bags of salad. These are 2 Caesar salad kits for Bailey. He loves Caesar salad. This one does come with dressing. He already has dressing. He actually might be out, so it might be a win-win. These have the croutons with it as well. Oh, and shredded Parmesan. So this will be just perfect for him. They'll probably make about 4 or 5 dinners, or like side dinners for him, because he loves that protein in a side, and he's been really into trying to get his greens in lately, so I'm really trying to help him and make sure I prepare enough and get enough at the grocery store for him too, because not a lot of the greens that I make he likes. So this is my attempt to be a good girlfriend. He's also more than welcome to eat this lettuce. I love baby lettuce that has like the green and the purple. I think it's usually called like mixed greens, but the mixed greens bag that they have at Trader Joe's has spinach in it, and sometimes I just really don't like spinach eating it in a salad. I don't know, it's just like maybe the taste. So I got this one that doesn't have spinach in it.
I love it.
I could eat this like every day. This in the morning with your breakfast too. Put this at the bottom of your plate, sprinkle balsamic vinegar, and then put your 2 fried eggs on it. Best breakfast. Lately, I haven't had any kale, and I used to like live off of kale. My salads were in it, it was in my smoothies. So I got it again just because I love it. I usually don't like to buy bagged things, but Trader Joe's really only has bagged produce for like salads and stuff, but that's okay. It's cheap, it gets the job done. It's already chopped up for me, so win-win. Yeah, I'm gonna start making my smoothies again, my green smoothies. And I thought this would be really good to add to the celery juice too. And I love throwing crunchy kale into the air fryer and making like kale chips, so yummy. And also, I just like throwing this into my salads too. It just adds a little bit of a crunch and a little bit of a bitter taste, but I love a little bitter taste in my salad. I got arugula. If you guys haven't had arugula, it is so yummy. I love arugula. This is so amazing to throw on Wonder noodles. Hold on, let me show you. I get these from Thrive Market, but you can also find them in the store. They're just kelp noodles or shirataki noodles. They are so yummy. Sorry, that's really bright, but they taste, if you put pasta on it, it tastes just like pasta, and it's got like, they're formed in pasta shapes. Like this one's angel hair, and I throw the arugula in there. I saute them to get them nice and warm and stuff. Put the arugula in there, olive oil. I just got sun-dried tomatoes at Costco too. Put those in there, and then I just put a dab of marinara. It is so delicious, guys. I mean, I grew up craving carbs and pasta and all that fun stuff. This is what I crave now, and it's so yummy. So yummy. These fill you up so fast too. Also got mushrooms from Trader Joe's. They're just the sliced baby Bella. But yeah, I use them to make the dinner because Bailey will be home soon and we do not want a hungry Bailey, so we had to get dinner done before the video. Cooking dinner right now. 2 chicken breasts, cut them open, marinated spinach and mushrooms and shoved it into the chicken. It's so yummy. And last but definitely the least exciting, I don't know why I saved this for last, it's just a head of cauliflower. And you guys, that's literally it. That is the end of my Trader Joe's haul for today. I've gotten more there before. Like, this isn't just everything I always get. This was all the necessities that we are deciding that we are gonna get on like a regular basis because we want to start eating at home more and eating more healthy and also saving money, which is the main part of this video. I spent less than $70. I spent $68.65 at Trader Joe's for all that stuff, and that's gonna last us at least 2 weeks. I don't know, if you do the math, if you went once a week with that too, that's super big savings. And then we go to Costco and get our like meat and stuff. You can even get meat at Trader Joe's, which I've done too, and I really enjoy their meat, and I almost enjoy it more than Costco. Costco you do get in bulk and you technically save more. But anyways, that's it, you guys. Tomorrow morning, so maybe I will. Good morning, everybody. I am currently about to make my celery juice like I promised. So I'm gonna show you all that you need. So now we get our milk bag. I just got these off of Amazon. And you're gonna get a cup. Here's this. I think I'd like it a little colder. Maybe I'll add some ice. Put some ice in there. Yes. Oh my god. Squeeze some like lemon in that too. It's almost thick. I was expecting very thin, and it's not. That was a process though. I'm gonna tell you guys that was a huge process, but I think it'll be worth it, to be honest.
I actually ended up having an allergic reaction to the celery juice. I have a similar reaction when it comes to carrots. So I wasn't too concerned when it happened, but my throat started to close up and it was pretty scary. I'm actually working with my acupuncture therapist currently with my allergies, so hopefully I'll be able to drink the celery juice soon. But if you're not allergic to celery, go for it. The drink was so yummy. I'm pretty upset that I can't drink it right now, but I have hopes that I will soon. That's all I have to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the Trader Joe's vlog. Hope you enjoyed the celery juice. On to a new day. I'll see you guys in my next video.